Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change content maturity level on Roblox. So first you need to log into Roblox and then tap this three dots on the top right corner. Click this one and then here what you're going to do is you need to look for settings. So tap this three dots here and then scroll down and look for settings. Tap on settings or this gear icon. And then you should see this privacy and content restrictions. Click this one. And then after that, you have to look for the content restriction feature. And what you're going to do here is you have to just basically scroll it up, decrease or increase the level. So you will have your options right here: minimal, mid, moderate, and restricted. So you just have to simply drag it up, down, increase or decrease. And that's how you easily change content maturity level on Roblox. Also, make sure that you're using the latest version of your Roblox application. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.